How did you learn English and explain it?
Yes. So first of all, I say my introduction.
And today we are going to introduction this boy. So first of all, Jharkhandi Johar. So I would like to introduction about his self. So give me your brief introduction, bro.
Yes. So I want to say before Jharkhandi Johar to all of you, and I want to say my brief introduction. My name is Parmeshwar Murmu, and at my converter from Jharkhand district Dhanbad.
So this boy are belongs from the Jharkhand. So before I am starting the video, so I will something question will be asked. So bro, tell me now now this present time, the people are giving the excuses something to doing the better to the another person. So what is the tips and what is the better way to he will be not give the excuses? Tell me
Yes.
about it.
So first of all, I want to say most of the persons like girls, boys, children, child, every they want to make every exclusive that I not do it, I can do by me. God gifted to all equality, opportunity and equal rights. Everybody can do it. Suppose that the gentleman, gentle boy, gentle girl, they see a big goals. But your goal succeeding life by you, not another person's. Because now in present time, India is the agriculture's country. But suppose that I go through a so normal class family and background because everybody first noted before it that I have no money, how can do it? I have no guideline, how can do it? But this is possible. If you see big dreams, definitely you do it. Definitely in coming future succeeding life.
Okay, bro. Okay.
Yes.
So everybody are hearing and listening that this boy are saying very frequently English, and so everybody want to know that this boy's the learning journey. So bro, how did you learn English and explain it?
Yes. So first of all, I say my introduction and of my about the English. This is how I learned and what is the way of journey in success in English language. So first of all, then I was small. So that time I think English is the very important. I listening to another person. I was definitely in front of schools, colleges, and YouTube channel. So one day I decided these tips, this knowledge, this situation, these tips I want to take it. So what I do one day, I one day think English is the genius. Everybody say of it, but one day I decide on myself. I want to learn it. I want to handle it. I want to manage it internally. So within day, because I have a small mobile phone. So what I do one day, so first of all I open the YouTube channel. So I think internally most of the teachers are they provide many of the tips like they teach all of you all student line by line tense, modals, preposition, word meaning. So one day I prefer to and write down on my copy tense, what type of the tense, what type of the modals, what type of the preposition, what type of the word meaning and vocabulary. So this is my way of journey. Listen. So one day I translate in Hindi. Suppose that मैं क्या हूँ, मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. Every situation, every sentence. First I write in Hindi and those sentence I try to convert into English. Definitely and definitely I do it and every day, every situation I practice in English. Suppose that English is my girlfriend. I can't live without it. So this is my journey
Okay,
of the way
okay.
of success in life.
So the guys, we are The his explain are there are the thousands of people are listening, and you have the listened. So, bro, for the learning, you have you did join any institute and any sectors, any private and any platform for the learning English.
Yes. So first of all, I want to say about the greatness teachers and what type of the institute I joined. First of all, a spoken guru in English languages, and by Chandan sir and by Misra sir.
But you are taking from the YouTube it.
Yes, yes. But I this is my help of the YouTube channel. But first of all, everybody I say and youthers, first we open the YouTube channel and write above the line, write what type of the tense, what type of the preposition, what type of the modals, what type of the active passive, and all grammar portions. And one day you try to and prefer. First open your copy and pen, pick up the and write line by line and underline and vocabulary side by side and line by line. You try to translate
Okay, okay.
and Hindi in English, but every day within 3 months, 1 month, 6 months, definitely you speak out your heart and soul.
So,
Definitely.
so bro, so I would like to say something. So suppose the another person want to learn the English. Suppose mostly I will be saying the villagers boy and the poor boy like that. Also, you are belongs from the poor,
Yes, yes.
poverty families.
Yes.
So because I will be denote the mostly of the poor people, but they want to know and they want to learn the something about the language of this English. So what should do the people for this
Yes.
and explain
First of
it?
all, before I said and telling this topic, people are making very excuses.
Yeah. This is saying very right and
this
very
world-
100% right.
Yes, yes. In this world, human being can anything in this world because human is a very big power of weapons. Also, people.
Yeah. Everything are making way to the by the people.
Yes.
But people are saying that the environment are making me. But
Yes, yes.
this is not right. People are making the environment.
Yes, because people make other social.
Yeah. Everything are
Yes.
make the people.
Every person and all educated person are listen to I saw. Human makes scientists. Human makes mobile phone. Human makes a big aeroplane. Human want to do it. Definitely is come up or succeed in life. Everybody, God gifted very powerful weapon up to the persons of the
Yeah.
mind. But your mind relate and create and use and utilize of them or your ambitions. Definitely succeed in life.
Yeah. So okay.
But you don't make it
Excuses. Okay. Don't
I
worry.
have no money. I have no. I belong to middle class family. But-
Etc. Giving the
but
excuses.
listen. Problems come up in front of every day. But problem you manage. This is the plus point and big opportunity for you.
Okay, bro. Okay. And suppose you are saying the something, and something will be send the message from my YouTube channel and to the another person, and suppose about the you we have the something knowledge, and if you want to send the something message.
Yes. People, what to do? I say before it, but if you learn it, English language, English is the subject. Now this present time, English is another country and a professional language. Yes. But first of all, you write in Hindi and those sentences try to convert into English and practice, not leave it. But practice again and again, your mouth and your heart. Suppose that what to do, youngster, now this I watch and all of you, but your hesitation, remove first of all, this is the pointed noted. Your hesitation, what I do, I can explain and in front of the other person, what I do say me and loves of behind you. This is not catch up your, this is not important, but remove for that matters. Remove for that matter, what I do, social person, don't worry. You practice, right, wrong, don't worry. But you carry on, continue 1 minute.
Okay. So okay, bro. And first of all, so now we are going the ending video,
Yes.
and also next video will be with coming.
Yes. Bye.
And
to all of you.
something saying about my YouTube channel. So subscribe, comment,
Yes.
tell me the people.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So I want to say all of you, please comment below under
Comment
the
section.
comment section. And first of all, I want to say everybody note it and before telling it, but comment, share as well as subscribe. This channel I provide, I work hard for to you for this, because don't leave comment and
Subscribe.
share and subscribe.
So, okay,
subscribe
bro.
is the most important, because your subscribe, your comment motivate me.
Okay.
I make two expensive video and I make 2 minute of the tips to all of you and how to succeed in my life.
Okay.
Yes.
So
But
okay,
don't
bro. So also I am saying that subscribe to my YouTube channel and
Yes.
comment, like. Don't forget the subscribe this channel. If
Okay.
if you will subscribe to my YouTube channel, so, and every day will be get the notification and the most video from my YouTube channel. So bye guys. I hope you are understanding the subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I will be not saying the something, and now we are going to ending the video.
Yes.
Bye guys.